Okay, let's start our Windows Studio. Okay, then we go to start a new Windows Studio project. Here have some of the template we can choose. For this tutorial, we are just empty activity and just next. This is your name, then I use my application, or I can change any name I want, project, package name, your location, and the language. Okay. Finish. Okay, here we can see the sidebar or the file source are located here. Resource, image, doable, the layout. You can see the layout in XML. The value, color, string, and style. Even the dimension you also can put here. Okay. The file, the main class will be auto created in this case. So we can just use, and the layout is the activity underscore main. So now we wait for the configure view. Okay, genymotion device manager. Just created, then I start the emulation. Okay, then we come back here. We switch to design mode. This is the design. This is the XML. We also can see the preview. Okay, we can choose portrait or landscape. Even the UI mode, the night mode, or the pixel. All available here. Okay. Now we wait for genymotion. And we try to display the activity here through this device. We also can see the manifest, the label, icon, themes, and which activity will be launched. And also the grader for the project. All the version code, version name, minimum SDK version, target SDK. For my case, I'm using Android X. Okay, now we try to launch the project through the genymotion emulator is Samsung Galaxy S10. So you can see now, hello world. That's all for my video today. Thank you for watching.